Good morning everyone. This is teacher Sreedevi from the Wave Private School. Today I am going to teach you about the energy conversion. From this topic, you should be able to understand and investigate the different types of energy conversion. Here are the resources for the references. Okay? In the previous classes, we discussed what is energy and what are the different forms of energy, mainly potential energy and kinetic energy. So, let us discuss today's topic, what is energy conversion? The change of energy from one form to another is known as energy conversion. From the various examples, you will get a clear picture of what is energy conversion. So, let us see one by one. Example 1. Here, Rita is sitting at the top of the slide. She has potential energy. After some time, she is sliding down. The potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. So from this example, you understood the change of energy from one form to another. Coming to the next example. Here, the car is not moving. That means potential energy. The man winds up the car. What happens? Yeah, potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Okay? So coming to the example 3. This is potential energy. The car battery or battery is a potential energy. So when you switch on the light, the potential energy is converted into light energy and heat energy. So from these three examples, you understood what is energy conversion very clear, right? So coming to the next topic, conversion of energy in nature. Natural elements such as the sun, wind and water are known as alternative energy. That means we all know that sun is the main source of energy, like that wind, water and fossil fuels. So these sources of energy are also known as alternative energy. They can be used to generate electricity. So let's discuss to investigate the different forms of energy conversion. Energy of wind, energy of water, energy of fossil fuel and energy of food. The first three can be used to generate electricity and the last one can be used to produce work. Okay. Let's see one by one. Energy of wind. We all know that sun is the main source of energy. Okay. So sun that produces light energy and this heat on the earth that shows blowing of wind, and after this rotating turbine and finally generate electrical energy. So solar energy is converted into wind energy and finally it is converted into electrical energy in the case of wind. Okay. So coming to the next one, energy of flowing water. It's same as like energy of wind. Sun that produces light energy, and this evaporates as a form of rain and stored water in the dam, and this falling water rotating turbine, and this generate electrical energy. And here the solar energy is finally converted into electrical energy with the help of flowing water. So now you understood two types of energy production, right? So the last one is the energy of fossil fuels. Look at this picture. Dead and decaying matters that produces fossil fuels, okay? And this fossil fuels finally creates diesel, petrol, cooking gas and electricity. So this is another form of energy conversion, okay? And finally, the energy of food that is needed for our work. Sun that produces light, and plants need light for photosynthesis. This after produces food is a chemical energy, and this chemical energy is used by the humans, and this is stored in the form of chemical energy, and finally it's used for the various activities such as muscular energy. So light energy is converted into chemical energy and finally into muscular energy. So from this you understood the various types of energy conversion, right? Very clear? So from this we are conclude that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to another. This is known as energy conversion. So here are some questions for you. Study the pictures below and write down the energy conversion that take place. So look the picture very carefully and write answer without any mistakes. Okay? I will give you some time for answer. Okay. So in the first picture, solar energy is converted into electrical energy. Check the answers, okay? The second question, playing violin, right? So kinetic energy is converted into sound energy. Very good. Then next one, arrow blowing, that means yes, potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Okay, so last section, homework for you, worksheet page 46. Look at the pictures and the description below. Identify the energy involved in each conversion. Okay, the first question is done for you. So remaining, you read the question carefully and write the answer properly. Okay, students? So these are all about today's topic. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.